Bedtime Yoga Challenge. Day 1, Standing Yoga.
Coach Vigue, my friends. This is day 1 of your 7-day evening yoga challenge. These are all standing poses. Five poses / stretches in each of these days. Check in below. Do all 7 days with me and tell everyone about it. All right, let's start with tree pose. Going to take some deep breathing in the nose and out the nose. Right foot flat. Open up your left hip. Hands together. Let's focus. Want to wind down for a brilliant night's sleep. Heel below or above the knee. Bring it up and hold. Here, let's do 5 breaths. In the nose and out the nose. I'm using my evening yoga voice, by the way. Good. Slow down the heart rate. Open up your breath. One more breath. Okay, let's take it to the other side. Bring the foot down. A little shake out. Keep it nice and loose. Arms come up. Pull them down. And open up to the other side. When you are ready, soften that standing knee, and let's take 5 deep breaths in the nose and out the nose. Whew. Breathe deep into the abdominals, the front, the sides, and your lower back. It's deep breathing, and then squeeze the breath out from whence it came. All right, feet coming down. Take the feet wide as you're comfortable with. I just stepped on a really jagged pine cone. Soften the knees. This is the wide-legged forward fold. Come on down. We're going to do 7 breaths. Bring it down. Arms hang or hands to the feet or ankles. Soften the knees accordingly. Good. Let's open up the spine. Three more breaths. Tuck the chin, slowly come back up, rising 1 vertebrae at a time. Woo. We're in a perfect position for the next one, which is an extended triangle. But first, don't tell anybody, but we're going to add these in. Shoulder rolls 5 times. Inhale up, exhale back. Don't crawl into your bed, your air mattress, your cave, your tent, without aligning your posture. Shoulders back and down, chest open, the back of the neck is long. Set a great example for your sleep, for your evening. Okay, open up your right foot, triangle position. The heels are lined up, turn the left foot in. Give you a couple options here. One is placing the hand right here on the leg. Reach the right arm up. Hold here. We're going to do 7 breaths, or you can go into the full extended triangle. The hand slips lower or back of the hand, and then reach. Stretch and open the side here. Oh, that's going to be so nice. Relieve that tension. Let the joints open up. 5 more breaths. I'm actually filming after 5 o'clock too. I think it's around 6 o'clock. So that makes this video authentic. It's just so authentic. It's like a reality show. Oh, to get out of it. I don't want to go. I don't want to grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid. Stretch it out. Maybe some adjustments. Maybe. All right, now rise back up. Shoulders back and down. Let's switch to the other side. Always like to keep it interesting on a little bit of a decline here. Here we are. We have this. There's another pine cone. Or bring it down. 7 breaths, my friends. In the nose, out the nose. Breathe deep. Front, sides, lower back. Wind it down. Wind it down. One of my favorite stretches right here for release, to regenerate, renew, and even rejuvenate. Two more breaths. Each one of these, 7-day, part of this 7-day evening yoga challenge. Each day is 5 stretches / poses, 5 of them. All right, long stretch. Whew. Okay, now bring it down. We have a low lunge mudra lift. What does that mean? You could stretch it out here, do a full lunge, of course, or bring the knee down. I know it's called a standing one. We still have our foot down on the ground. Slide that right knee back. Get a nice healthy stretch in the hip flexor. We rise up. Now lace the fingers. Here's the mudra. Or place the hands right in your lower back to crack open. Just pop out that chest. 7 breaths. Oh, okay. A little too excited there. Feel free to move a little bit in the pose. You're getting a nice contraction in your left thigh, in your front leg. You're getting a huge back bend, which is opening up your breath, stretching your abdominals. Relax the jaw. Hey, these trees are making me dizzy. Okay, one more breath. Make sure you let me know below how you felt after this routine. If it helped your sleep, if it helped you focus and unwind and relax. Other side, here we go. We rise up. Chest is open. Dun, dun, dun. Here or lift. 7 breaths. Let your jaw be loose. It's a great chance here. What an opportunity to shake it off. Shake off the day if there's some bad things. Keep the good things. The bad stuff, toss it. Let it never darken your hallways again. Never. One more breath. All right. The last one, can barely see it. There's a bush in the way. It's a cross-legged forward fold. I hope it's just what you need. Bring it up, standing, shake it out. Shakeouts are an unofficial part of these flows, but it is good. Keep it loose. Loose. Left leg crosses over the right. Let me find a pine cone free spot. And then dive down. Let's do 6 breaths here. Get some blood to the brain. Rock the weight into the back foot and sway. Nose towards the knee. Bring it back up. Want to flow from one stretch / pose to the other. Don't just jump from one to the next. There's always a purpose. There's always a flow. There's a transition, which requires a lot of focus and dedication. Here we are. Bring it down. Other side. 6 breaths, by the way, but we know that. Okay, now, whatever you're going to do after this, I'm going to lay down here. Thanks for doing this. Day 1 with me of your 7-day evening yoga challenge. You got to check in below. You have to keep me posted. Keep me posted. Let me know what you thought. And share this 7-day challenge with somebody who needs to relax, to release. The link to my 7-day morning yoga challenge is also below. Jump on that. I got you covered morning, afternoon, evening, brunch time, any other time, lying in the yard, and hit the like button, subscribe. It's Coach Vigue, my friends. Oh, we'll see you tomorrow for day 2. I'm gonna just go right here. On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.